G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make Halloween pumpkin cupcakes. These are really easy, so let's go.
Get a mixing bowl, stand mixer or hand mixer, put in 2 cups of self-raising flour. If you don't have self-raising flour and all you've got is plain flour, just add a teaspoon of baking powder and just add 1 teaspoon of soda, like bicarb soda or baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Then add 1 1/4 cups of sugar, granulated sugar. Then add a teaspoon of mixed spice and a teaspoon of cinnamon sugar. Now add 1/2 cup of milk, or 125 mils, 1/2 cup of oil, 2 eggs, and 150 grams of pumpkin puree. Now you can just buy some if you want. I've just made my own. Just steamed some pumpkin and pureed it. Now just mix this until it's just combined. Now for this, get a muffin tray, a large muffin tray. Just grease this if you don't. And just put the mixture in. Probably about 2/3 to 3/4 of the way up should be enough. Now preheat your oven to 180 degrees if it's fan forced. If it's not, put it up to about 200. Now 180 degrees Celsius, that is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Should only take about 20 minutes. Now once these have cooled, put some frosting or icing over the top. You can make some or just buy some, it's up to you. Now just decorate with whatever. You can buy some snakes, gummy treats, whatever. Well, I hope you like these. Ooh, yummy. Oh, so awesome. You don't have to decorate with anything like this. You can put snakes on it or just nothing. And if you want to have an orange frosting or whatever, just make it. Add some yellow and red food coloring if you can't find orange. Let's give this a try. Oh, that is ghoulish. I'll see you next time for my next meal.